Hello, welcome to the tutorial on Smith chart. In this tutorial, we are going to mark some important parameters in the Smith chart. The parameter which I am marking here is the reflection coefficient. Reflection coefficient, its value is equal to -1. This end we are marking source. Reflection coefficient tau equal to -1. The another end, say marking the reflection coefficient equal to 1. The center value, reflection coefficient equal to 0. That is, load impedance equal to characteristic impedance is at naught. This point corresponds to natural load condition, that is, no reflection loss. If the reflection coefficient tau equal to 0, no reflection loss. We can verify it in the PowerPoint presentation. And Z equal to 0, I am marking here, is the end, corresponds to the short circuit load. The another end, I am marking Z equal to infinity. Z equal to infinity corresponds to open circuit load. Open circuit load. Open circuit load. So in this tutorial we learned how to mark the and where is the reflection coefficient points located. Tau equal to -1 and tau equal to +1 and tau equal to 0. Okay, and where is the point Z equal to where is the point Z equal to infinity and Z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 is the point corresponds to the open circuit load, and Z equal to infinity corresponds to the open circuit load, and Z equal to 0 corresponds to the short circuit load. Okay, now now from this tutorial you learned how to mark the reflection coefficient in the Smith chart, and what is the location of z equal to infinity and z equal to 0, tau equal to 1, tau equal to -1, tau equal to 0, natural load condition, and the point corresponds to the load impedance ZL equal to the characteristic impedance Z0. Okay, that's all about this tutorial number 1.